Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up water leak detection with Aqara and notifications, full guide step by step clearly. To set up water leak detection with Aqara, begin by gathering your materials. Ensure you have an Aqara water leak sensor and the Aqara Home app installed on your smartphone. Open the Aqara Home app and log into your account. Tap on the Add Device button, typically represented by a plus sign. Select Water Leak Sensor from the list of available devices. Follow the on-screen instructions to put the sensor into pairing mode. This usually involves pressing the reset button on the sensor until an LED light starts flashing. Once the sensor is in pairing mode, the app will search for it. When your sensor appears, select it to complete the pairing process. Next, choose the room where you want to place the water leak sensor. After selecting the room, confirm the setup in the Aqara Home app. You can now test the sensor by pouring a small amount of water near it. If configured correctly, you will receive a notification on your smartphone when water is detected. To customize notification settings, navigate to the Settings section in the app. Select the water leak sensor from your list of devices. Here, you can enable or disable notifications, adjust volume levels, and set specific alert tones. It's also recommended to check the sensor's battery life regularly in the app. For optimal performance, place the sensor in areas prone to leaks, such as basements, bathrooms, or near water heaters. Regularly review the sensor placement and functionality to ensure continuous monitoring. Once everything is set up, your Aqara water leak sensor will help protect your home from potential water damage. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.